In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom form to Squarespace checkout. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the settings that control checkout fields, how to enable a custom form, and how to tailor it so you collect the right information from customers at the right time. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account dashboard. From there, open your dashboard and select the site you want to work on by choosing Go to Website. That opens your site's editing panel. In the left-hand navigation, choose Website to see all the core options for your site. Next, open Settings. Inside Settings, select Website to access the site-wide configuration area. Now let's get to the commerce controls. Choose Selling, then open Checkout. This is where you manage everything the customer sees from cart to confirmation. Click into the Checkout page settings and then open Additional Fields. This area lets you fine-tune which extra details you gather during checkout beyond the basics. You'll see options for phone numbers. If you need a phone number for shipping updates, choose the option to collect it with the shipping address. If your billing and customer service workflows rely on a phone number tied to billing details, choose to collect it with the billing address. You can turn on one or both based on your needs. Keep in mind that asking for fewer fields usually improves conversion, so only enable what genuinely helps you fulfill orders or support customers. Now let's add the custom form that appears on the checkout page itself. Look for the checkout page, custom form section, then toggle on Enable Custom Checkout Form. After enabling it, click Edit Custom Form. This opens the form builder specifically for checkout. Separate from any contact forms elsewhere on your site. Give your form a clear, customer-friendly name. This title appears during checkout, so keep it short and helpful, like Order Details or Special Instructions. Then select Manage Form Fields to control what you'll ask. You can edit any existing field by clicking Edit. Use the field description or instructions area to clarify what you need and why. For example, if you're collecting delivery notes, you might add a line like gate code or drop-off instructions. Good descriptions reduce confusion and cut down on follow-up emails. You can also set placeholder text to guide the response format, such as e.g., leave package at back door. Placeholders are especially helpful for fields that might be unfamiliar to customers. When you're ready to add something new, choose Add Form field and pick the field type that best fits the information you need, such as a single-line text field for short answers or a longer text area for detailed notes. Keep your form focused. Aim for just the questions that truly impact fulfillment, compliance, or customer experience. As you make changes, use Live Form Preview to see exactly how the form will appear during checkout. This is a great way to check wording, spacing, and overall flow before you publish. If something doesn't look right, go back and tweak the label, description, or placeholder so it reads naturally and is easy to answer. When your edits look good, click Save in the form editor to commit those changes. If you decide not to keep your edits, click Cancel and your previous setup will remain. After saving the form, return to the checkout settings and click Save Again to publish everything to your live checkout. This final save is important. Without it, your changes won't appear to customers. A few quick best practices as you wrap up. Plan your questions in advance and group related prompts together so customers understand why you're asking. Keep the form short to minimize friction. Finally, run a test checkout to confirm the form appears at the right step, the copy is clear, and the data shows up in your order details. That's it. You've enabled phone number collection where it makes sense, turned on a custom checkout form, named it clearly, configured fields with helpful descriptions and placeholder text, previewed the experience, and saved your changes. You're now ready to collect exactly the information you need, right when your customers are already engaged and ready to buy.